It's been almost a month since Governor DeSantis banned elective surgeries in hospitals to make sure there was room for coronavirus patients. But some people have now been waiting that entire time, and their pain is getting worse. 4 in Your Corner's Rob Manch spoke with a man in Cape Coral today who can barely walk, but right now he can't get that treatment he needs, at least a surgical one. Rob?
Right now, hospitals like this one will only perform surgeries on patients in an emergency. That doesn't include Ronnie Kantz, who has a bad knee and can barely walk. He needs a replacement, but with the ban in place, no one will take him.
I mean, there's times I sit up at night, I can lay in bed and cry.
Ronnie Kantz has a bum knee. It causes him constant pain, but right now, his doctor says there's no cure.
He said, Ronnie goes, I can't get you in a hospital. They will not allow us elective surgeries in any of the hospitals.
And if that wasn't bad enough, the governor also closed down the restaurant his wife worked at.
I went from 1 job to 2 jobs to no jobs real fast.
With neither of them working and rent they still need to pay on this house, Kantz is dreading May 1st.
Now we got to face that we might possibly eventually be evicted.
But Kantz says it doesn't have to be this way. There are open beds at Lee Health Hospitals, and CEO Dr. Larry Antonucci confirmed that on a conference call Wednesday.
Our current bed capacity is at 57%, with 8% of those being COVID-19 patients. We take precautions to separate those with symptoms of COVID-19 to ensure that patients coming for other illnesses or injuries are not exposed to the virus.
Sometimes when I walk, the knee gives out.
Kantz says he thinks the governor's order is too broad, and localities should be allowed to decide whether or not he should be allowed to get a surgery that could bring him relief.
I understand there are people out there that are dying, but there are also people out here that need help.
The ban on elective surgeries is set to expire on April 30th, but the governor could extend it longer if he thinks it needs to be. Kantz tells me he's worried about causing more damage to his knee in the meantime. In Cape Coral, Rob Manch, Fox 4 in Your Corner.